Nissan NV200 repairs in my area. Nissan Motor Company is a Japanese multinational automobile manufacturer headquartered in Nishi-ku, Yokohama, Japan. The company sells its vehicles under the Nissan, Infiniti, and Datsun brands, with in-house performance tuning products labeled Nismo. Cargo vans aren't usually regarded as exciting vehicles, but to the hard-working men and women of America, a well-designed van can be critical. The NV200 is more nimble and thrifty than larger full-size vans. Yet it offers a 1,500-pound payload capacity, seating for two in car-like surroundings, and a 131 horsepower, 2.0-litre 4 with a continuously variable transmission. It's available in taxicab livery as well, with rear seating, a partition, and side windows. Modern workers deserve a modern choice. Servicing your Nissan NV200 on a regular basis is crucial to ensure its performance, reliability, and longevity. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule can help prevent issues and keep your vehicle in good working condition. Here are some general guidelines for servicing your Nissan NV200. Consult the owner's manual. The first step in servicing your NV200 is to refer to the owner's manual. It contains a maintenance schedule that outlines recommended service intervals for various components and systems. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are essential for your vehicle's engine health. The frequency of oil changes depends on factors like the type of oil used and your driving habits. Typically, oil changes are recommended every 5,000 to 7,500 miles or every 6 months. But consult your owner's manual for precise intervals. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off essential fluids such as coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid as needed. Brake inspection. Inspect the brakes regularly for wear and tear. Replace brake pads and rotors when necessary to maintain optimal braking performance. Tire maintenance. Check tire pressure regularly and rotate the tires as recommended to ensure even wear. Replace tires when they are worn out. Proper tire maintenance is essential for safety and fuel efficiency. Suspension and steering. Inspect the suspension and steering components for signs of wear or damage. Address any issues promptly to maintain ride quality and handling. Air filter and cabin filter. Replace the engine air filter and cabin air filter as recommended to ensure good air quality in the cabin and proper engine performance. Battery maintenance. Check the battery for corrosion and secure connections. Replace the battery as needed to prevent starting issues. Cooling system. Keep the cooling system in good condition by checking the radiator, hoses, and coolant levels. Overheating can lead to engine damage. Alignment and wheel balance. Ensure proper wheel alignment and balance to prevent uneven tire wear and maintain vehicle stability. Warranty and recalls. Be aware of your vehicle's warranty coverage and any recalls that may apply. Dealerships can perform recall-related repairs free of charge. Authorized service centers. For Nissan NV200 service, it's advisable to use authorized Nissan service centers or technicians who are trained and experienced with Nissan vehicles. They have the expertise and access to genuine Nissan parts. Record keeping. Keep records of all maintenance and repairs performed on your NV200. This documentation can be valuable for resale value and warranty claims. Remember that regular maintenance not only ensures your Nissan NV200's reliability but also helps prevent more costly repairs down the road. Always consult your owner's manual and follow Nissan's recommended maintenance schedule for your specific model and year.